Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to replace your Indeed resume. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Indeed app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from the Play Store or App Store. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new account first. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to see your resume, you need to go to your profile section. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Once you're in your profile settings page, you can see this resume section over here. If you have already created your resume before using Indeed resume, it will show up like this. Now, if you want to replace this Indeed resume with an external file consisting your resume, then you need to select this resume first. Tap on it. Once you're inside your Indeed resume, here you can see the three dots icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now here you will find the option Upload to replace resume. So select this option. In order to replace the Indeed resume, you must have your resume document file in your device. So you can select that document from here. Now it will ask you if you really want to replace your resume with this file. So choose this Yes option. Tap on it. Now Indeed will pre-fill your Indeed resume with your external file. So it will kind of merge your resume file. You can tap on this review button to review how it looks like. You can check all the details. It will import all the details from your external resume file. You can check through it, and if needed, you can make your changes. You can review your resume, how it looks like. And once you're done, you can tap on this continue button. And there you go, your Indeed resume has been replaced by the external resume file document. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.